Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So last time we learned how to put lights and material and furniture, everything. So this video I don't want to make a big video like half an hour or 1 hour video. Just I will try to make a 10 minutes or 15 minutes video. Let's learn one by one tools every 10 minutes by 10 minutes video. So today I am going to teach you how to make ceiling in this room. So yesterday we started in the living room. So here if you go to the construction, here we have one called ceiling. Just click it and just click here, insert ceiling, and just click here. uh, so it will come automatically. So here there's a many option like wall distance, and if you select this one, this will be close the ceiling, and let's make some distance from wall, so 0.2, and here I want also 0.1. So if you type like this, you will see something like this. Let's go for the 0.2 also. 0.1 is enough. So this one, something like this. So the ceiling height I want to choose, the void is 0.2 also. So something it will be look like. So let's go to the floor plan. So you know how to put the ceiling, and you know this is the ceiling line. And I will go to the light. I have some downloaded curve light from the internet. This one. So if you don't know how to download this, just Google it. So you can go this one, Dialux Luminar Finder, or you can just Google it. Go and just go Google and just type curve light Dialux file. So you will see here in down this is Dialux. So you will find this one light. So same procedure sent to Dialux. Else you can search from here or any option you like. So here if you see here, this each light is 37.5 watts, and here it is the detail of the rest of the detail here. So I am going to use this light. So let's go to the, this time I am going to show draw line arrangement. I will go for the file light. Let's enter. So let's draw here. So make sure you are drawing straight, and again another light, and draw from here. So if you go to the front view, you will see the light is below the ceiling. So actually I need the light above the ceiling. So let's select this all and go to the move and go up and little bit inside. Again, and this one, select this one and move. And little bit here. So let's go to the 3D view. Let's make calculation. So see the light is visible like this, something like this. It's looking very nice. The same way you have can do all the ceiling light or any curve light design pattern. If you go to the Google, use just Google it, curve lights designs. Just type it, curve light designs. Designs, curve light designs. You can see something like this. So here I choose this type of view and try to do something different also. So if you see something like this, it's a different ceiling. So here you see curve ceiling here. So I believe there is an option called sales, no need, construction and ceiling, and there's a draw new ceiling. So here you can draw only the box, you cannot draw the curve one. So maybe in the other version of Dialux maybe it's available, So currently you can play something like this, which I show you something which I show you here. So there is another option called platform. So if you go here, this is called platform. With the platform you can draw something polygon from elements. So here you can play something, but this one I will teach you in another video. So currently look at this one. So I have 114 lakhs. I am reaching here 114 lakhs for this curve light. So let's cancel this one. So here, and it is looking nice. So let's add another two lights, three lights in the ceiling. Let's go here in the floor plan. Now I want to select the different light. So let's go for this one. Draw rectangular. I need to reach the lux level around 300. Actually 300 is too much, 200 is enough. And you can check in the Google the required lux level for the living room. So here I am not checking that one, just I am drawing in my as per my mind. So here I will put it here. So it's giving me if I want to reach 200 lux, and this one I need three lights. So I don't need this way arrangement, I need other arrangement. So let's go for the one here and three here. So this one I want to make little bit center. So let's check this one. Okay, this is a different kind of light, and I thought this is a box light, but I chose different light. Anyhow, this is looking good. So let's calculate again. So it will be looking like this. So you can do some designing, additional designing, like office space, something other designing. You can choose this type of light and you can play. And inshallah we will meet you in the next video. I hope you understand everything. If you have any comments, please comment in my video. I will try to reply you. I hope you understand everything. If you don't understand, please comment. I will reply soon as possible. So we will meet in next video. So let's learn tool by tool, and maximum I try to make 10 minutes video. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel for more video, and we will meet inshallah in next video. Take care. Bye.